In this lesson, we will see together French and the notion of subject, verb, object. Until the Middle Ages, words were declined and therefore their functions were determined by their endings. After the declensions were removed, it was necessary to define an order in the sentence. This is when syntax became important and defined that the order of words in the sentence would be subject, verb, and object. So remember that when we're talking about object, in that case, we are talking about grammatical object. So that is why the following two sentences do not have the same meaning. So let's have a look at the first one. Marie-Claire regarde Alexandre. So in that case, Marie-Claire is the subject, regarde is the verb, Alexandre is the object. And the second one.